Hello, my name is Kyle Alden. I'll be talking about single displacement or single replacement. So, what exactly is single displacement or replacement? It is a chemical reaction where an element reacts with a compound and takes the place of another element in that compound. So usually when one element is more attractive than the other in the compound, so it'll switch places. So the more attractive element is in that compound instead of the other one. So here, as a quick example, I have A plus BC. So here, A plus BC. A is more attractive than B, or A is more reactive than B. So, as you can see on the right, it changes so that A is with C now, and B is by itself. So the new chemical compound is AC. So as you can see here, we have our reactive list. As you can see, potassium is at the top, or K. Below that is calcium, and so on and so on. And we have gold at the bottom, which is the least attractive. And as you can see, we have H right at the lower bottom right here. H is in this because it acts like a metal. So our first example, we have copper plus silver nitrate. So as we go back to our list, locate copper, which is the fourth one to the bottom, and then we have silver, which is Ag. We have that right below copper, so that we can see that silver is less reactive or attractive than copper, which means a chemical compound, silver nitrate, will switch to copper nitrate. So this will be your new equation, which will be silver plus copper nitrate, because copper is more attractive than silver. So as an example, to make you guys understand better, we have the Avengers here, and we have the Avengers at most attractive to least attractive, just as the elements over here. So at the top we have Captain America, followed by Thor, Spider-Man, Iron Man. Then we have Black Panther, Hawkeye, that guy, Chris Pratt, and the Hulk. So, Captain America being potassium, Hulk being gold. So in this equation we have Thor, right by himself, and then we have Black Panther. Black Panther who's going out with Black Widow, the baddest chick in the Avengers series, and they're together, and Thor is single, but Thor wants Black Widow because he has a crush on her. So since we go back to our list that I made, you can see Thor at number 2, or the attractive list, and we can see that Chadwick is number 5. So guess what? Thor ends up with Black Widow, and Black Panther ends up by himself, because we can see that Thor was more attractive and more reactive than Black Panther. So my final example, we have zinc, which is a solid, plus hydrogen chloride, which is an aqueous. So our chemical compound here is hydrogen chloride, which is a combination of hydrogen and chlorine. So this is what our balanced equation looks like right now. So we're gonna look back at our reactive elements list. We see that zinc is at number 7 to the top, and we can see hydrogen is at number 5 from the bottom, which means that zinc is more attractive than hydrogen, which is acting as the metal right now, which means that zinc will be with chlorine and hydrogen will be by itself, and that's your new equation. Hope you guys learned something new today. Thank you for having me. Goodbye.